Hello Tech Explorers! Want to add contacts in Telegram but not sure how? No worries, I'll walk you through it in just few quick steps. Let's go! First, open the Telegram app and tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Now, tap on Contacts and here you will see an option to add contact. Tap on it. Next, type in the first name, last name and contact number of the person you want to add. Once done, tap Create and boom, your account is now saved in Telegram. How many contacts do you have on Telegram? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. You have successfully added a new contact in Telegram. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.